Henkel started in 2013 in the 3D printing field, but it was at this time a kind of incubator we started. And actually since 2016, we generated a more commercial spin. EOS is really, the technology leader in polymer and metal printing, and this was for sure, a big argument also. Why do we wanted to cooperate with EOS? Because we just believe that together we can actually extrapolate the value which we are bringing to the customers by combining our portfolios of solutions. Henkel, as a world leader in adhesives and coatings, actually brings a nice portfolio of materials already into the game of post-processing for 3D printing. This we do with our solutions in terms of bonding, sealing, cleaning, impregnation and coating. Currently, within our partnership of EOS, we have started with the bonding application. For that, we have done multiple testing on EOS substrates, on PA11 and PA12 substrates or materials, combined also with different kind of substrates like metal. Yeah, and one of the products which we use there is here our universal bonder. Yeah, and what is the benefit of bonding parts? It's actually that you can split up the parts, you can better utilize the build volume of the printer, and with that also improve process speeds. Yeah? And this finally also leads into optimized cost for the customers. I definitely see a bright future for 3D printing because of the enabling design, or how much 3D printing is enabling design options and so on, and to drive mass customization, I see definitely a bright future.